Oh, 6?
Yeah. I got a pen.
It looks like it.
You do that when you're done, okay?
I'll just add another one, okay? So just adding that. So, there.
Sanya, you don't have this? Rahul?
I'll do my best. I'm a good person. Need a pen.
Actually, do you have a paper? Those who are done with the notes for a 90 for today, put it on my desk for April 3rd, April 4th, and April 7th, right? 25 points on the major and 90 for the daily grade. Okay. The lesson for today is writing an equation of a circle, right? When you say a circle, there must be something like this equation here. That's the general equation for it. Now, your phone, solve. Okay, don't let me get your phone, okay? I hate to do it, okay? The equation of a circle is given by this expression, right? By this formula here. Now, the only three things that is important is that you must have the H, the K, and the R. Okay? Once you have the H, the K, and the R, then you can write the equation and simplify it. Okay? I'm going to teach you how to write it. This one is the first thing that you have to write. Now, in order to uh, in order to write down the whole equation, we must know, we must determine the h, the k, and the r. Now, what is the h and the k? They are the coordinates of the center. Center coordinates. Okay, let's say the center of the circle. Give me two numbers. It can be both negative, it can be both positive, it can be 0, it can be one negative, one positive, right? Eric, give me a coordinate of the center. Eric, give me two numbers. Coordinates. Like for example, one negative, one positive, or positive, negative, or both positive. It depends. Come again? 1 and 6? 9 and 6. Okay, 9, 6. So now, if I have the center at 9, 6, then my h is 9, my k is 6. So this is h and that is k. Now, in order to remember those two letters, HK, remember in geography, what is the city in Asia that is very popular? What is HK? Anybody? Geography? What is HK? What is city in Asia is a popular destination? Hong Kong, right? Okay, so it must be that city. You have to get what is HK or Hong Kong, right? And then get the radius. R is the radius. HK, coordinates of the center. So, according to Eric, he gave 9, 6 as the coordinate of the center. Then it means that your h and k is 9 and 6. Your h is 9, the first number is 9, and then your k is 6, the second number. Now, I'm going to write down this. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Okay, which one are not changing? The x and the y is not changing, but the rest is going to change. The h, k, and r is going to change depending on the problem. Let's say I have an example here, right? In order to solve the problem, let's apply it. We can get it done, right? Let's apply it. Can you read it? Jalia, can you read the examples? Okay, radius 1, 7. Okay? You're good, Nori? Okay? So center is at 1, -8, and then radius is 7. Okay? How to write the equation? We have to write the general formula. Okay? What is the general formula? Let's put it there. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared. That's why I gave you a paper. Is equal to r squared. Okay? You're good, Junior? Okay? So this one is the equation of a circle. Now, let's apply the h, k, and r. Which one is h and k? Xavier, which one is h? Which one is k? Which one is r? Based on letter A. Based on letter A, what is the description of A? Because we're trying to write down the equation of a circle, which is going to be this form, right? But what's going to be the thing to finalize it? We have to write it first, and then after that, we plug in, and then we simplify. Okay? So, what are the description of letter A? Xavier, give me the description. Read it. Letter A has a center. Look at the letter A, the small letter A. On the problem, on the screen. Can you see it? Center at
Center at 1, negative 8
and radius 7. Okay, so which one is H? Which one is H? So, which one is H? H, the first number on the center is going to be H. The second number is the K. That's why we have to know that that is HK, right? So this one should be the H. This one should be the K. Which one is the R? Radius 7, right? So once you have those three, you can write the equation. Okay, and it begins with writing the general equation. After that, okay, Eric, what's going to be? I'm going to plug in the H, K, and R. Can you do it? One, Artiaga. X and Y is not changing, but the H, K, and R is going to change. So this one here, X minus, what is your H? 1 square plus Y is not changing minus, what is your K? Negative 8 parenthesis square is equal to, what is your R? 7 squared. Now, let's look at the second line. Which one are simplified? You can say that when there is one symbol between the letter and the number, it is already simplified. So this is simplified because there's only one minus. One symbol only. This one is not because there's two symbols between the letter and the number. What is a double negative? Is that a plus or is that a minus? Minus negative 4, minus negative 5. Is it going to be plus 4 or plus 5? What's it going to be? Double negative becomes, how to simplify it? Take a guess. Eric, will it be a minus or will it be a plus? A positive or a plus. So, this one I can still simplify. Y plus 8. It is already simplified. This one is already simplified. I just have to write it down. Because if there is one symbol between the two quantity, x and 1. And then, I have to get the 7 squared. What is 7 squared? Or 7 times 7. Junior, what is 7 times 7? Come again? 24? 7 times 7. Calculator, Iho, right? 7 times 7. 7 times 7. Nori, what is 7 times 7? 14? That is 7 times 2. But 7 times 7. What is that? Gabi, what is 7 times 7?
49.
49. Okay, so that must be it. It is already simplified. It's final. So look at the step. I wrote down the formula for the equation, and then I plug in, because I knew the H, K, and R, and then after that, I simplify. Is that clear? What are the steps again? Write down the formula first. Second, plug it in. And then third, you simplify. Clear? Right? Okay, let's go to the second one. What is the second one? Mary, what is the second one? It didn't give you the center, but it gives you a graph for it. It gives you a graph. Which one is the center of the graph, Mary? Which one is the center? The 0, 7 or the 0, 4? Come again? I didn't hear you. Come again? 0, 4. So that's my H, that's my K. Now, how to find the radius? How to find the radius? Sophia, how to find the radius of this? Okay, this one here. How to find the radius? I got